Tesla and SpaceX have just confirmed where they are building what will be the largest chip manufacturing site on planet Earth. And the numbers behind this thing are honestly hard to wrap your head around. Guys, Tesla and SpaceX have confirmed the location of their Terafab chip megafactory and its Grimes County, Texas. The first phase alone is worth $16.8 billion US. If the full plan comes together, this becomes the largest semiconductor manufacturing site anywhere in the world by an order of magnitude. It's not the largest in America, it's the biggest full stop in the world. Now, why is a car company and a rocket company building a chip factory? Not potato chips, but, chips. Because both of them have concluded that the single biggest constraint on their future is actually not batteries, it isn't factories, and it isn't even software, it's compute. Tesla needs enormous volumes of advanced chips for Optimus robots, for Cybercab, for Cybervan, and training its AI models. SpaceX wants to build space-based data centers. And when you add up the demand from both companies, they're looking at numbers that no external supplier can realistically guarantee. Not even try and guarantee, they just can't supply this amount of chips. It's not possible. So the answer, in classic Musk fashion, is vertical integration on a scale that nobody has ever attempted before. This project is the biggest make or break project in Tesla's history. The scale actually is absurd. Terafab is planned to span more than 100 million square feet. That's over 10 times the floor space of TSMC's biggest gigafab, over 10 times. On the Electric Viking website, I'll put a link in the description below. We have more articles about electric cars and battery technology than any other website that I'm aware of in the world. So check that out. Link is in the description. And there you'll find our videos and analysis and articles about everything going on in the EV world. It would combine logic, memory, packaging, and testing all under one roof, targeting 1 million wafer starts per month at full capacity, with a stated goal of producing over 1 terawatt of compute per year. Over 1 terawatt of compute per year. My brain's struggling to actually fathom that. For comparison, TSMC is spending around $165 billion US across 6 fabs in Arizona, and combined, those are a fraction of Terafab's proposed footprint. Intel's entire foundry business did $5.4 billion US in revenue in the first quarter of this year. Tesla and SpaceX are essentially saying they'll build something bigger than what the industry giants have taken decades to assemble. Is it realistic that they can do this? Actually, I think it is. The site itself is interesting as well. Terafab is going on the Gibbons Creek Reservoir, which used to cool a coal-fired power plant that was shut down in 2018. SpaceX says the facility will draw its water from that reservoir rather than local groundwater, which directly addresses the biggest complaint communities have about new data centers and chip fabs. A coal plant site being reborn as the world's biggest chip factory is about as neat a symbol of the energy transition as you'll find. At least 3,000 people will work there, with most hires coming from the local area. Now, some honesty, when this was first announced in March, it was pitched as a $25 billion US project. The confirmed commitment today is $16.8 billion for phase 1, and then expansion will come. And SpaceX's own S1 filing described Terafab as a general framework with no binding commitments or finalized IP agreements between the two companies yet, anyway. So there's still paperwork between the render and the reality. Tesla is also not betting the farm here. Its chip supply is already locked in, with Samsung's Taylor, Texas fab producing the AI5 chip, a $16.5 billion US deal covering the next generation AI6, and TSMC providing additional supply. But make no mistake about what this actually signals. Tesla and SpaceX believe the future belongs to whoever controls the compute. And not just the compute, but also the energy. And they planted a 100 million square foot flag in Texas to prove they intend to take a huge share in this market. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is this a good move? Is this joint venture between SpaceX and Tesla? Is it potentially evidence these two companies might be considering a merger? There's been a lot of rumors on this. I'm not so sure that I think it's going to happen, but it is possible. Thanks for watching. Thinking about getting solar, a home battery, or an EV charger? Check out Australia's best free comparison tool because it could save you a lot of money. Guys, click on the link below in the description and you can see how much you can save. Alternatively, give Resync a call. They are the guys who installed my battery and my home solar. I'll put a link to them as well in the description. Need expert advice on what car to buy, what solar system to get, what home battery to get, or potentially for your business? You can get, guys, a one-on-one consultation directly with me, 60 minutes of tailored guidance. This might help you avoid making a huge mistake spending money when you shouldn't, or potentially save you a massive amount of money. Click the link in the description below because I can assist you, and why not? The link is in the description.